What's up, Savage Team? Alright, so today's video is going to be about the birds. You literally hear them behind me. But this video is not going to be just about those birds. This video is going to be about our bird, Coco. And she says hello so many times. I hope I did it on video, but I don't know. But, Coco! Hi! Hello! Hello! Say hello! She said it on camera. Hello, Coco. Coco. Say Coco. Say your name. Coco. Coco. Bye. 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 Coco, say hello. Say Coco. Bye. Bye. Bye, Coco. 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 I don't know. She said hello, but she needs to say Coco. 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 What are you doing? You dancing? You dancing? Yeah? I don't know what's wrong with her. She's supposed to say Coco. Her name. She usually says her name. Coco, say Coco. 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 Come here. Come here. Come on, Coco. Coco. Hi. Coco. Say Coco. 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 I don't know. I got her to say hello, but she's not saying Coco. I guess I gotta say it without the camera on me. Coco. Say Coco. Hello. Bye. Bye, Coco. Bye. Bye. What'd you say? You said Coco? Say bye. I'm Coco. 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 Hey. Say Coco. Coco. Hey. Coco. I guess she's dancing for us. Say Coco. 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 Oop. Ah! I guess she bit me. Coco. Alright, this is no Coco out of her, but we got hello. Bye. Bye, Coco. I know she's gonna do it. Bye. Bye. Coco. 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 Alright, so I just not gonna do it. That's the end of the video. Please subscribe, like the button, and peace.